Hello friends, so I have created this Shopify stores. Let me go through this my Shopify stores. If you can see, I have created auto skill my Shopify store in dev environment, and in this store there are a lot of feature I have added like home. When you click on home, so this will give you this section wise all your product related features. So this is the digital product website. I am Shopify developers. I just wanted to show you how you can create this useful website, and you can add multiple features like chat. If you want to go through with chat, you can just uh, click on track my orders, and accordingly this will give you can just click on WhatsApp, and this will give you the WhatsApp related thing. So many things you can do using Shopify. If you need any Shopify developers, and if you want to develop anything, and if you want the training or something, then you can directly contact me, or you can just buy this uh, content or Shopify training material on below given description links. So let me go through. So in this the digital product, this is the person who is providing the services, and this is the project where you can directly download. So let's say if I want to download this one, so I will just simply click on this one and just click on add to cart, and this will automatically will get add to my cart. You can see card 1 and 2, and basically you can do the checkout. So when I click onto the checkout, so this will give me the checkout page, and accordingly all the setup you can do directly, pay now, Gmail click, and all things. And apart from that, if you go to the navigation bar, so accordingly this will give you all the pictures of your related products and tools. And if you go to the course, so there are multiple courses are available. So let me just click on this course. Okay, you can see now currently I have just one course, so that's why. And if I click on the tools, then this will give me the lot of projects. So this kind of digital product related website, or any shipping website, or drop shipping website, you can simply build. I am Shopify developer, and I have done a lot of things. This is my just project sample. Uh, and also, if you need the training guide and help, then you can also connect me. This is my all the Python script where you can simply fetch the Shopify data. You can update the detail on Shopify backend and front end as well. You can just play with the Liquid code and Polaris code also, and also you can use into the automates your report, and you can do so many automations on your Shopify portal, also in your backend, like price update, low inventory tracking systems, the low order conditional. You can play with the workflow app, and this is my Shopify. In this Word document, I just mentioned how you can create your Shopify website step by step roadmap, and this is a Shopify related interview question. So it's also input in this one. And if you are going or planning to any Shopify interview and want to resolve complex tasks, so I have mentioned this into this Excel file. So you can create your or one Python or dynamic script where you can update the data on website, and also similarly you can fetch the data from the website. So that's all for this one. If you need any help regarding Shopify developer, you can directly connect me using my mail ID, which I will also provide in below section, or you can purchase this content material where I have just stored my knowledge and also script. So using this one, you can also gain good knowledge regarding Shopify and can earn a lot of money based on that knowledge. Thanks for watching this video.